A storm surge watch is in effect and a hurricane watch is in effect for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Citrus, coastal Hernando, coastal Hillsborough, coastal Levy, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, coastal Sarasota and Pinellas. A hurricane watch is in effect for the following counties. In Florida, inland Citrus, inland Hernando, inland Levy and inland Pasco. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the following counties. In Florida, DE Soto, Hardee, inland Charlotte, inland Hillsborough, inland Lee, inland Manatee, inland Sarasota, Polk and Sumter. Tide forecast. At Cedar Key, high tide Tuesday at 6:08 a.m. Low tide Tuesday at 1:51 p.m. High tide Tuesday at 8:43 p.m. Low tide Wednesday at 1:04 a.m. High tide Wednesday at 7:01 a.m. The current time is 11:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tropical weather outlook issued by the National Hurricane Center in Miami. Issued at 7:53 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, active systems, the National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on potential tropical Cyclone 9, located over the northwestern Caribbean Sea. Formation chance through 48 hours, high, near 100%. Formation chance through 7 days, high, near 100%. Eastern and central tropical Atlantic shower and thunderstorm activity continues to show signs of organization in association with the tropical wave located near the Cabo Verde Islands. Environmental conditions appear favorable for gradual development of this system, and a tropical depression is likely to form in a few days while it moves westward to west-northwestward across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. Formation chance through 48 hours, medium, 40%. Formation chance through 7 days, high, 80%. This is a tropical weather bulletin from the National Hurricane Center. Issued at 7:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, over 1200 UTC, the disturbance was centered near latitude 19.2 north, latitude 83.5 west. About 524 miles, 843 kilometers south-southwest of Fort Myers, Florida. About 608 miles, 978 kilometers south of Tampa, Florida. The system is moving toward the northwest near 9 miles an hour, 15 kilometers per hour. This general motion is expected later today and tonight, followed by a faster northward to north-northeastward motion on Wednesday and Thursday. On the forecast track, the center of the system is forecast to move across the northwestern Caribbean Sea through tonight, and then over the eastern Gulf of Mexico on Wednesday and Thursday. Maximum sustained winds are near 35 miles an hour, 55 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Strengthening is expected during the next few days, and the system is forecast to become a hurricane on Wednesday and continue strengthening on Thursday as it moves across the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Formation chance through 48 hours, high, near 100%. Formation chance through 7 days, high, near 100%. The estimated minimum central pressure is 1,001 millibars, 29.56 inches.